How to extract key points from a PDF with Gemini. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gemini app on your phone to pull out the key points from any PDF. Super fast and easy. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and tap the chat bar at the bottom. Now, before you type anything, look for the plus icon next to the chat bar and tap it. This lets you attach a file. And tap on Files. Select your PDF from your phone. It could be a research paper, a report, a contract, anything you have saved. And tap on Open. Then wait for a few minutes to upload the file. Once the PDF is uploaded, type something like "extract the key points from this document" and hit send. Gemini will read through the entire PDF and give you a clean, organized list of the most important points. No need to scroll through pages and pages yourself. If you want more detail on a specific section, just follow up in the same chat. Say something like, "Tell me more about the second point," or "Summarize the conclusion," and Gemini will give you exactly what you need. And that's it. Extracting key points from a PDF takes just seconds. No more reading through long documents just to find what matters.